Okay, people, good night, or good evening. It's 2112, August 3, 2018. It's nighttime. See, it's dark out. Okay. Yesterday I made this video right here. Thanks for the views. Let me just get that. I just had a. There we go, 153 views. All right. Well, I want you to. Let's see if I can just play it just briefly. Can't hear anything because I don't have the headphones. But you see the. Well, I zoomed out. Oh, wait. Let me zoom back out. Wait. Do I zoom out? There we go. Come on, a little further. I didn't go far enough. Well, anyway, the one channel is off right there. Can you see that in my cursor? Alright, so the one channel is off, and anyway, let me just skip out of that. So let me go to my pictures here because it's just handheld. So open with, I named a few of them so I could figure out what's what. Okay, let me stop playing with the mouse, change hands, go down to the keyboard, okay, and then while holding this still, okay, so zoom in, alright, and then, let's see here, oh, is that wrong button? Now I gotta reset it. Oh, drat. Okay, reach over the mouse. There. Okay, so now, again, I'm trying to do this out of the tripod. Okay, so now if I reach down the mouse, okay, here we go. So there's, I can zoom in, right? So there's that. There's how the speakers connect. There's the front, the back, the screws, how you open it, like that. Take pictures as you go. It's what I do. I take pictures as I go. So I just keep taking pictures. Where does that spring go? Where do those go? What does that do? What is that? Oh, wait. Let me go back. Okay. Yeah. Wait, can I go back? Did I take a picture? Well, here, let's see here. Okay, well, there's no belt. The flat belt is gone. Where is it? Where is that flat belt? Okay, anyway, so let me just race on. So there are the old belts. Okay. Yeah, there are the old belts. Who cares? Old belt, old belt, old belt. New belt. Ooh, that looks pretty. Again. And then just had to take it further apart to, there's the tape belt. New belt, yay, and then doing more stuff. Cleaning it. And that's another machine, so alright, so now I just want to take you, okay, I dropped the mouse. Alright, get me the mouse. Here. Give me the mouse. Alright, put the mouse up here. So now I want to put your attention to where you got to turn the power on. So here's the power. Wait. It's low voltage, so it's not going to hurt you. There's that. Gotta turn it off so you can see it. Turn it off. Off. On. Alright. And then I have headphones plugged in, so if we, how does this work again? I need my headlight. Where'd my headlight go? Okay. I only have so much lights around here. Here we go. Here's the headlight. Okay, so. And then you put it on tuner. Oh. Did you see that? Wait. You see that? Watch that. Wow, look at that. So that's like coming out of there, but we're not gonna show you that. You just know that it all works, okay? It tunes, and that power level is, anyway, it's balanced, but I don't care much about the radio. I'm more interested in the tape. So let's put it on tape. There's tape. You come over here to my happy little, see, where is it? So many buttons on these things. Which one is it? It's record, play. So here's play, right? And we run the volume up so you can maybe hear it. And of course it's on the headphones. Oh, yeah, that's what I want to show you. Is it? That's what I'm about. It's like, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm about right there. That's beautiful to me. All that's nicely working, and then of course the power level meters are jumping along. Yeah, that's what I'm about. Okay, so, and I'm not sure if you run the volume, well, anyway, it's just, look at those, oh, what happened? I don't know why it did that, but it's just been freshly rebuilt, so it might still have an issue or two. Let's see here. Still got tunes, so, but here it's got one other feature. It has a one-time only. It'll rewind it. Let me wide out so you can see. Okay. If you hit it one time on this, it's got a DPS, which is I don't even know where it says it here, but you hit that, and it'll go back while you're in play mode. It'll go back to the beginning of that song, or you can go forward, and it'll forward through the end of the song to the next song. Okay, so there it is, working like that. And that's kind of a long song, I think, or maybe, no, there you go. So now it's into the next song. We're playing Foreigner 4, and I'd play it for you, but I think you'd rather listen to me talking, right? Okay, so I'm having too much fun here. I gotta go and kick it out. Let's see here, Jack. Put this back together and like this. There, hit this, hit play. And a jukebox here, so we want to play it back to the beginning, so we rewind it. Okay. And that's the beginning of that song. That's full blast. See here. Oh yeah, it starts off low. But anyway, I'll let you listen to it later. I gotta go clean the head still and a few other things. But good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Bye-bye.